Estonia, a jewel of Northern Europe, beckons with a blend of ancient history and modern allure. From medieval castles to vibrant cities, pristine islands to cultural festivals, explore the best of Estonia's diverse landscape and rich heritage. Narva Castle. Strategically perched on the Narva River, is an emblem of Estonia's historical resilience. It has witnessed centuries of transformation, from battles to reconstructions. What makes it exceptional is the modern presentation, with the Narva Museum providing an interactive and engaging historical journey. The Herman Castle, a crucial part of Narva Castle, offers captivating views of the river and the Russian town of Ivangorod. Its impressive bastions, gardens, and walls complete the ensemble. Narva Castle combines ancient history with a contemporary approach, making it a must-visit for those eager to delve into Estonia's captivating past. Kadriorg Art Museum. Kadriorg Art Museum, housed in a striking Baroque palace, showcases Estonia's artistic heritage. The palace, commissioned by Peter the Great, is an architectural masterpiece, setting the stage for the artistic treasures inside. It stands out due to its fusion of historical architecture with world-class art collections. The museum's Flemish art collection, featuring masters like Rubens and Van Dyck, illustrates the global influence of Flemish art. Kadriorg Art Museum transcends traditional art appreciation, offering musical performances, cultural exhibitions, and educational programs that delve into Estonia's artistic heritage. The immersive approach adds depth to the museum's appeal, making it a cornerstone of Estonia's cultural tapestry. Jagala Waterfall. Jagala Waterfall epitomizes Estonia's natural allure. Located near Tallinn, this enchanting waterfall is a year-round attraction. In summer, it's a delightful spot to cool off, while in winter, it transforms into a fairy tale with frozen cascades. What makes Jagala special is its accessibility. Well-maintained trails lead to various vantage points. The waterfall's captivating beauty amid lush forests creates a serene atmosphere. Jagala Waterfall's appeal lies in its picturesque charm, making it a favorite destination for nature lovers and photographers. Its evergreen allure invites visitors to reconnect with Estonia's untouched and wild landscapes. Lennis Adams Seaplane Harbor. Lennis Adams Seaplane Harbor is an exceptional maritime museum in a colossal seaplane hangar. Beyond its architectural significance, it offers insights into Estonia's naval history. The museum's extensive collection features historic boats, seaplanes, and even a real submarine. Interactive exhibits and simulated seaplane flights engage visitors in Estonia's maritime heritage. What sets Lennis Adams Seaplane Harbor apart is its ability to transport visitors back in time. Strolling through old ships, exploring cramped submarine quarters, and understanding the challenges faced by sailors and aviators offer a unique perspective on history. It's a blend of history, technology, and hands-on exploration, making it a must-visit for those intrigued by Estonia's maritime past. Tallinn Old Town. Tallinn Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, preserves Estonia's medieval past. The 13th century plan offers a journey back in time, with cobblestone streets, medieval churches, and charming houses. Rekoja Plats, the central square, is surrounded by historic buildings and Tallinn Town Hall's towering spire. Beyond the town square, winding streets lead to Toompea Hill, crowned by the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. Tallinn's medieval walls and towers, including Fat Margaret, are testament to its historical significance. Beyond a tourist attraction, it's where the past comes alive, making it one of Europe's most desired destinations to experience Estonia's medieval heritage. Viimsi Open Air Museum. Viimsi Open Air Museum delves into Estonia's coastal history and lifestyle. It features old coastal farms, offering insights into the 19th and 20th century Estonian life. What makes it exceptional is its educational approach. Visitors participate in themed experiences, experiencing farm work, fishing, traditional market days, and holiday traditions. The museum's setting overlooks the historic coastal village with panoramic views. The market, Balti Jama Turg, reflects the cultural diversity and spirit of coastal communities, offering an eclectic mix of street food, fresh produce, antiques, and handcrafted goods. Viimsi Open Air Museum isn't just a repository of artifacts. It's an interactive journey through time, a glimpse into coastal living, and a chance to appreciate Estonia's maritime heritage. Tartu, Estonia's second-largest city, is celebrated for its academic achievements, intellectual capital, and cultural heritage. The University of Tartu, a neoclassical gem, is the city's intellectual hub. The city's historic core harmonizes with vibrant student life. The wooded slopes of Tumimägi offer panoramic views. The city's cultural scene thrives with museums like Norra, housing the National Archives of Estonia and the Estonian National Museum. Tartu's summer nights are alive with outdoor beer bars and underground parties. Its youthful energy and intellectual vibrancy make it a dynamic destination for a blend of academia, culture, and nightlife. Viljandi, a Hanseatic League boomtown, reflects Estonia's historical significance as a trading hub. It's known for safeguarding popular trade routes between Prussia and Russia. Lake Viljandi, surrounded by forests and charming timber homes, provides a serene escape. Viljandi hosts diverse summer festivals, from medieval fairs to open-air theater productions and public art shows. These events attract artists, musicians, and performers from around the world, making Viljandi a cultural melting pot. The town's picturesque landscapes, historic fortifications, and vibrant cultural scene make it a hidden gem worth exploring, offering a rich blend of history, nature, and artistic expression. Haapsalu, a seaside town, is renowned for its therapeutic mud spas. The mud's healing properties have drawn visitors for centuries. The town's wooden buildings, narrow streets, and elegant seaside promenades exude historical charm. Haapsalu Castle, with its medieval architecture, adds a touch of mystery with ghostly legends. The town's mud spas create a unique niche in Estonia's tourism industry. Therapeutic treatments and serene seaside ambiance offer blissful experiences. Haapsalu hosts acclaimed blues and jazz festivals in summer, adding a vibrant atmosphere. Its cultural heritage, healing mud spas, and artistic festivals make Haapsalu a destination where history, relaxation, and entertainment converge. Matsalu National Park, a tapestry of wetlands and meadows, is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. It's a haven for birdwatchers, offering sightings of white-tailed eagles, barnacle geese, and cranes. Matsalu's wild horses graze in marshes, adding to its natural allure. The park's geological formations, including the Kali meteorite crater, create diverse ecosystems. Visitors engage in activities like birdwatching and hiking, immersing in Matsalu's unspoiled wilderness. The park's commitment to conservation makes it a model for preserving Estonia's natural heritage, offering unforgettable experiences in Estonia's untouched landscapes. So, which is your favorite place in Estonia? Let us know in the comments. That's all for this video.